this video, we'll be showing you how to add a 100 or 200 club from a template. Please note, a valid small lottery license should be uploaded to your website in order to take payments for a 100 or 200 club via the platform. You can find further information on how to do this in the link below. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then select Add Event from Template from the Manage menu. Then click on 100-200 Club from the drop-down list. The event template wizard will appear, which contains 4 steps to help you add your event. First is basic event information such as name, dates, times and fee types. These are all pre-populated but can be changed. The date range here will depend on if you are running your draw monthly or annually, etc. After you have made any changes, please click on the Save and Continue button. The second step is for entries. This is where you can set the price and number of entries available. Please note the number of entries is limitless, so you could also run a 500 club here. Once you have made your changes, click the Save and Continue button. Booking information is not required for a 100-200 club event. The final step is volunteers, where you can specify the amount of volunteers you'll need to help run the event if applicable. Then click on the Create Template Event button. Selecting tickets and products in the Manage menu will allow you to see all the numbered tickets that have been created for you. To make amends to any event, either click on the name or on Edit from the Manage menu. You can then continue the rest of the process, including the draw itself, offline. And that's it, you have now successfully added a 100 or 200 club from a template. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.